Hello student, welcome to the session. So today we will start the new topic, that is from cocoon to silk. So in the previous class I told you about what is cocoon. Cocoon is itself a caterpillar that completely covers itself via silk fiber. So this is called as cocoon, and now this cocoon is how silk is obtained from this cocoon. We will study in this topic. So from obtaining silk, moth are reared. Reared means they give farmers provide them nutrition, farmers provide them proper hygienic conditions so that they can grow up and produce a better quality of silk. So and their cocoons are collected to get a silk thread. So now rearing of silkworm. A female silk moth lays 100 of eggs at a time. The eggs are stored carefully on strip of cloth or a paper and sold to a silk fiber. So now the silk moth lays 100 of eggs, and these eggs are sold to the silkworm farmers. Now these farmers actually keep these eggs under a hygienic condition, into a particular suitable condition with respect to temperature and humidity. So the eggs are warmed to suitable temperature so that eggs are hatch out and larvae comes out from the eggs, from the shells. So this is done when mulberry trees bear a fresh crop of leaves. So the larvae, called caterpillars or silkworm, eat day and night and increases enormously in size. So after this the worms are kept into a clean bamboo trays and with a freshly chopped mulberry leaves. So these caterpillars then kept into the bamboo trays and with the mulberry trees. After 25 to 30 days, the caterpillars stop eating because it actually grows maximally, and move to a tiny chamber of bamboo. Here in they actually the caterpillar and silkworm spin the cocoon inside the which develop the silk moth. After 25 to 30 days, they actually move to the tiny chamber of bamboo and spin the cocoon, also spin the cocoon inside which develops the silk moth. So after this the processing of silk starts. The cocoons are kept under the sun or boiled or exposed to a steam. The silk fiber separate out. The silk fiber actually separate out. The process of taking out thread from cocoons for use as silk is called as reeling of silk. The process in which threads are taken out from the cocoons and it is used as a silk, it is called as reeling of silk. So this reeling is done into a special machine which unwind the thread or fiber of silk. After this, silk fiber are spun into a silk thread and then it is used to make a clothes. So this is it for today. In the next class I will give you different kind of activities on this chapter, also about previous chapter also. So please listen carefully in a repeated way so that you can understand it in a better way. Thank you.